Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this electric spin scrubber. This thing is huge. I have not seen a spin scrubber that is this big of a coverage for an area. And you can use it whether it's just a handheld at 17 inches, or you can add on the full extender to get it up to 42 inches and you can scrub on the floor. It has two different heads on it. One, you can pick up pet hair, you can get some hair or whatever dust off the floor with this one. Or this one, you can scrub, say, behind the toilet or in the shower, in different areas on the floor, in the bathroom. It's a nice, more of a scrub brush style. It is rechargeable, so you get your rechargeable cord, and you have a hanging hook that you can just stick this on the wall and then hook it up, and it can hang up for next time you use it. So we're gonna put this thing to the test and see how it works. It does go up to 120 minutes on here, and it has a charging cable that within 3.5 hours, you have it fully charged to be able to use for next time. Now, before we take it back, I wanted to give you a close look at it. Here's the actual base of it. It does have this little LCD screen right here. We'll pull that off so you can take a look at that. And it has two separate speeds on here. To put on your different heads, all you've got to do is just stick this on, and then it locks into place. Once you get in there, you then lock it into place. And now that's on, and then you turn it on. All you've got to do is push your button. And that is your low speed, which is at 320 RPMs. And then you've got your high speed at 400 RPMs. Now you can add this cover on the top. If you wanted to add the cover, that just slides in right there. And then switch it out, you just pull off the end. So you pull that off, and then you can add on the other one as well and do the same thing. Stick that on, and you can then put on your cover if you'd like to add that on there. If you wanted to add in your extenders, you've got your hole in your button, you just put that in, and that locks into place. You've got your rechargeable cord right there. And then you've got your last one right here that you put in. And now you have a long scrubber. So here's an area I can see using this because it's really hard to get behind the toilet and reach down and everything. And with this long extendable handle, you can easily just turn this on and get down in there. And I mean, this is getting all around the corners and the edges, and it is cleaning that up really well. And you can easily turn it around to get the other side. All right, now I've got this area right here with this nice dust collector that I'm going to use. And I'm just gonna put it on the low setting and just pick up all this mess that is on this area at the end of my bed. And having it to where I can lower the handle down and not have the extension, that is really nice. So that worked really well. I like how it is just a rotary blade that you can go around. It's not going this way, you actually are just going with it back and forth. This is a nice little machine. It's got a lot of power to it.